Hey everyone, it's Becca Barron here with Cruise Planners. I'm currently on the MSC Magnifica. I've been on a 3-night sailing. It was supposed to go to Ocean Cay, but we had some bad weather today and could not dock, so it turned into a cruise to nowhere. I disembarked in the morning in Miami, but I just wanted to take a few minutes and give you my thoughts and reviews of my cabin here on this ship. I've been in a Deluxe balcony cabin, and it's cabin 188. And overall, it's been a really good cabin. I'll talk about the positives first. It's a decent size. It's got a couch and a bed. It's got a lot of storage, actually, more so than my last MSC cruise, which was on the Meraviglia. And I've been in the cabin by myself, so obviously there's been plenty of space for me. And the bathroom's a decent size. Again, plenty of storage, plenty of places to move around and do what you need to do. And the balcony is in a good location. It's kind of towards the back of the ship, but still a little bit midship too, so I have not had any issues with my balcony. It's been a really good one. So my only complaints about the cabin would be the chairs on the balcony are really uncomfortable. It would be nice if maybe they reclined a little bit, or if there was at least like a table to put your drink on or something like that, but it's just two regular sitting chairs and then this little like mesh foot prop thingy, which is kind of useless. So I yesterday spent a lot of time on my balcony, and I just like pushed the foot prop thing in the middle and then with the two lounge chairs on either, and try to like make my own bed and laid out there, but it was really not very comfortable, but I made do. And really everything else decent size. There's this weird, I'm gonna see if I can point it to you right there. See that like really big mirror? It's like right in front of the bed, which is kind of weird to me. I don't really want to wake up in the morning and see myself, but it's nice when you're getting ready though, because you definitely have a full view of yourself. And then my other complaint is the shower sucks. It is really small, just like any normal cruise ship shower, but it has the shower curtain instead of the door, so the whole time you're showering, the curtain's like sticking to your body, and it's just in the way. And also on this ship, the water pressure is terrible. Even with the little trick of pushing the knob and it'll turn even further, it's still just bad. And then also the shower will go from like just right to scorching hot to ice cold like Antarctica to back to just right, and then to lukewarm. And so it's just constantly changing, and you don't want to turn it up even more, because like I said, it'll get to like scorching hot, but then it'll go to ice cold. And so that's been really frustrating and really uncomfortable. You'll be showering, get shampoo out, and all of a sudden your body gets scorching you, and then you hop out, and then you get back, it's just right, and then now it's ice cold. And so that really has not been very much fun. But other than that, it's been a really good cabin. And I'll also will post a video of the cabin where you can see the storage and the balcony and all of that. So be on the lookout for that. Also posted to my YouTube channel. So have a good evening.